Hello! I'm Tom Varner and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've come to the Hills Fort reproduction located on the American Heritage Farm Museum in Greenville, Illinois. Now, Hills Fort was an important fort in the history of Bond County in southern Illinois. It was a fort that was built around the Isaac Hill, who was a surveyor in his expedition here in the southern part of the state. And it was the site of a battle against Native Americans in 1814. How we enter the gates. And this marker states Hills Fort, a War of 1812 era fort that stood on the western perimeter of the territory of Illinois, was located 6 miles southwest of this spot. A reconstruction of the original fort is located here at the Farm Heritage Museum. On September 9, 1814, a battle occurred between 13 Illinois Rangers and civilians and a large party of approximately 80 Indians just outside Hills Fort. John Journey, Robert Lynn, William Grotz, and William Pruitt were killed in this ambush. Thomas Higgins put himself in harm's way in order to save the life of his wounded comrade, William Burgess, thereby gaining notoriety as an Indian fighter. Lydia Pursley grabbed a horse and gun and rode out to aid Higgins, who was injured. Spurred by her actions, others joined her in her successful rescue of Thomas Higgins. Hills Fort was constructed around the cabins built by Isaac Hill for his survey party. These improvements were sold to David White in 1811. Bond County was formed in 1817 with Hills Fort serving as the original county seat. There's a picture of Shadrach Bond, the first governor of Illinois and the namesake of Bond County. Actually quite a few windows up here, as well as holes to put your rifle. It's the blacksmith shop, or blacksmith's quarters, not shop really.
Yeah, that's a new piece.
And this plaque just tells a little bit about the battle in 1814 that happened between some Native Americans and the people here at Hills Fort. Now, Hills Fort is not a very big fort, but like I said, it is an important piece of history here in Bond County. There is history and interesting things all around us. So go out and find the piece of history in your community. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land where we have visited Hills Fort, the reproduction of Hills Fort actually, located on the American Farm Heritage Museum in Greenville, Illinois. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's some place that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about a future video, leave a comment in the comment section. And you can now support Adventures in TV Land by going to Buy Me a Coffee and making a donation there or becoming a member. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.